I I try to speak English, but I feel shy.
Take your time, Emily. It's okay.
Why are they laughing? Did I say something wrong? Oh no, I made a mistake again.
She looks very sad. I should talk to her.
I feel alone. Maybe I am not good at English.
Hey, Emily. Are you okay?
Not really. They laugh when I speak English.
I understand. That hurts. Tell me everything. I am listening.
I feel afraid to speak. I try and try, but I still fail.
Failing is part of learning. You are brave, Emily. Don't forget that.
They laugh again. I hear it. Why does this always happen to me?
She needs support, not laughter.
So many red marks. Maybe I should stop trying.
Can I sit with you?
Yes.
Let's learn together.
Really?
You know, Emily, you're doing well, but there's always room to grow.
Okay, I want to improve.
We start with something simple. Simple present tense. We use it every day.
I wake up early.
It is for habits.
I go to school.
Good job.
I drink tea.
Very clear sentence.
I read books.
Yes, that's correct.
I brush my teeth.
Perfect.
It feels easier now. Oops, I said it wrong.
It's okay. Say, I go, not I goes.
I go to school. Look, no mistakes. I walk home.
Keep speaking.
Okay, Sam.
That's it. You're doing great.
Thanks. I feel better now. I am not afraid.
Good pronunciation.
I eat breakfast at 7.
very natural.
Ten sentences today.
Excellent work.
I try to understand.
Read the subtitles.
The train leaves at 9.
That sounds good.
I cook dinner.
Speak faster!
Oh no, mistake!
You're improving!
The sun rises. The view is incredible tonight, isn't it?
Beautiful.
I practice every day.
Hello?
I improve slowly.
High five!
I have an answer.
You can do it.
I wake up at 7.
That's great, Emily. I have breakfast at 8. I go to school at 8.
I study English every day.
That's great, Emily. Keep it up.
Thanks, Sam. I will. She speaks clearly. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Excellent sentence. Thank you. Thank you. Students, we've worked hard. Now it's time to show what we've learned.
Good job!
Thank you. I believe in us. They are not laughing.
I feel brave.
That's wonderful, Emily. The sun rises in the east.
That is correct.
You can try. Say one sentence.
I eat breakfast every day.
Perfect. I go to school. Very good. Keep going. You are a great teacher now. Practice every day.
Thank you, Emily.
I am not afraid anymore.
I always believe in you.
I speak English with joy. Mistakes help me learn.
Step by step.
I improve every day.
I am proud of you.
The simple present is used for habits and facts, like I eat breakfast every day.
You did the work.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
And I believe in you.
English is not scary. No, it is not.
No, it is not.
I practice, I improve, I succeed.
That's the spirit.
I speak English now with confidence.